Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? And welcome back to the process. Today I am recording using OBS for a couple of days. So if again I might just jump back to Camtasia and see how that goes. I had wanted to try a little bit of something that was on my mind. Now, one thing that I want to start doing that I haven't figured out how to do is I want to start cutting pages together off sites, and it's one of those things that I've really wanted to do, and I don't know how to, like, I really don't know how to do it, but I'm just gonna try. So here's a screen capture of a page called of the entire GitHub pages, GitHub code spaces, and I'm gonna try and bring it into image resized. Why? The thing is, I really don't know so much about about GitHub. So I really wanted to be able to use this opportunity to start to know. I wonder what is a shortcut, a duplicate shortcut. Let's see. Not GitHub. What do you call that? Or just Control C, Control V. Can I just using Command D, so Control D or Control D, drag and copy, hold down Option Alt, Windows and drag. Okay, so this is Alt and drag. So let's see if that's also like I think that's an Adobe. Oh, alright, cool. Alright. So I'm gonna call this code spaces 1, and then I'm gonna call this git code spaces. Now my idea is something that I haven't really figured out very well what I'm going to be doing. However, I'm thinking that one of the things that I could do actually is I could break down this page into like a couple of just like into a couple of I'm thinking elements or whatever, for example, why is it I thought so it was resized, and I wonder why it was resized, but it's okay. Right, really, why was it resized? Is it possible to, I don't know yet. Okay, here's one of my thinking. I was thinking of breaking this page into elements, and I'm doing this before I step out. So I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna create a page here, and I'm gonna call this page code spaces 4. Okay, and assumingly I'm going to do everything here. So let's go back to strictly layers, and I want to create a whole new layer over here. And we want to have a rectangle. I want to draw a rectangle here, and I just want to know. And I'm very curious because I have a feeling that it should be a little bit smaller, like right there. One of the things is I just want to know like some of these dimensions when these people design this, what are the dimensions that they're thinking about. I'm gonna make these colors a little bit warmer. Let's play on the pinkish side, reddish side, somewhere here, and I'm just gonna have it also like a little bit nicer. It's not very distracting. So I'm gonna call this what do they call that place? Now area. We're gonna see if I can be able to break down this design, into different areas. Okay, so I think this area over here is the area for the header, and then I think I don't know how to describe this. Is it possible to look how can I toggle on what do they call it? What do they call what do you call it? Grids, Figma. Okay. So check. If there's no check, click display them. If there's no check next to the layout, if there's a check already showing layout, you can also use keyboard shortcut to go grids. Control G. macOS Control G, Windows Control Shift 4. So let's try that. And let's come here, say Control Shift 4. Layout grid visible. How are they visible? And I'm really curious when they tell me that it's visible. Like what do guys mean it's visible? So I'm going to let's look this one. Let's grab what it is. Alright, Control Z. Let's see which one. Okay, so it's this one and this one. Let's this one. Oh, okay. That's what I did. Control Z. Control Z. It's always very interesting when I just mess up things. Okay. Alright, so unlock this. I understand why it has to be on top. Control Z, grab it, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, bring it back. On the top, I understand that now, okay? Alright, so let's grab this two and let's just make sure it's up here. Now I'm trying to toggle grids on. I don't know. Layout grids hidden, Control Shift. For layout grids visible. Where are they visible? Where are they visible? Do I have to? Because honestly, I'm trying to I'm gonna look at the images and column 16 column grid 16 column grid and 16 width. Is this 960? Let's find out what's the width of my thing. It's 916. Interesting. How can I make it 960? How can I make it? I guess I can't. I guess I can't. It's okay. Let's look at this grid. Take us to Pinterest. Let's find where it's from. to go to the source. Oh, no source. Is there like let me see, line 60 grid, line 60 column grid, so 16 column grid. Alright, so let's see if we pasted this here and reduce the opacity, if anything can change. Right, why don't we find out? I don't know. So I'm gonna recommend that we take this down, that we zoom, until a certain desired place. Let's find out. Okay. Yes, I guess this works. Now I'm wondering if I can reduce the opacity. So let me find out. Opacity. I think I know what it is. It's right on the corner on this side. So let's just go back to Figma first. Where's Figma? Alright. Here's the opacity. Let's take it down to like 15. Okay, cool. I'm trying. Let's take it down to like 30. And I really legit cannot be able to see the difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my grid, at least the one that I see, has to start. Now I think I'm just right. You don't need to start from the edge. Right? Okay. So I'm going to create a new layer. I'm gonna call it like 16. And I'm gonna make this color something like whitish yellow. Right, and I'm going to hit shift so it's going to be at 7 points. Let me see if I can transform. Alright, so okay, so yeah, so let's say it's width. So here is where I can transform. So let me give it like 7 width, and then I'm going to give it 1496. Alright. So 1496. And this is also me learning Figma, guys. I'm really excited about Figma and that possibility. So we're going to call this 1. Okay, and we're going to Control J. How do you duplicate? How did I learn? You can I can hit Alt, copy, right, Alt, copy, alright, so let me hold these 3, actually these 3, so I'm gonna call this 2, I'm gonna call this 3, I'm going to make sure this is selected, and I'm gonna press Alt and then cool, duplicate those three. And my assumption now is that my assumption now is that I have been able to duplicate. Control Z, hit Alt, hold those together like that. Okay. Alright, that's cool. And then let's see. This is 1, 2. Alright, so it's weirdly placed. But now we can just select this. Okay, let's select 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can alt it, and then ideally 16. I'm going to group all of this together, and then I'm going to call it 16 column grid. I'm going to hide this one. Okay, I'm going to go into the 16 column grid, and I'm going to take its opacity all the way to 25. Or maybe 25 is too much. Okay, and that's it. I want to see if this layout actually snaps to a grid. So it probably does. Who knows? It probably does snap to a grid, or it's just slightly out, because I think maybe so it probably almost snaps to a grid. I can almost feel that there might have been a grid over here. It's slightly off. If I moved this grid, but I can already start feeling that there was already a grid that was aligned here, that the people who made this code, or people who made this layout, were thinking about. A few of the things that I think I can do as I keep learning about these code spaces, probably I can go to code spaces home here, and then I can download all these assets, because it's very asset heavy, this web page. So let's do that. All right, let's go to github.dev, I think so. And oh no, this was the VS Code one. Just go to code spaces. Oh, so this is my like my. It's really cool that GitHub have invented this thing. Code spaces. Where's code spaces? Oh yeah. Cool. So let's think about this. This is image. It's not an image. It's an image. This is let's just find out. Cool. So the image is the PNG with the text, but this is actually, I think this box has been designed in open image in tab. Oh, it's a WebP file. Cool. All right, let's try and see. Let's have a new folder. I'm gonna call it GitHub Spaces and see if we can save. So new. Where is new? Where is new from? Let's see. Good. So I read about WebP, right? And turns out WebP is a certain type of a certain type of web image, uh, like a JPEG, that is optimized for web. So let's see if I can copy it here. Oh, so actually I could. So I'm gonna just save these assets, and I'm gonna open a new folder. For you to just bring them in. Or let me take it. Let me take them to a new page. All right. Let me take this to a new page. Let's add a new page, and then we're gonna call it assets. Remember, let's not call it assets. Let's call it assets. Like what are we? Yeah, let's not call it assets. Let's call it images. And then let's take this and then drag it into this page. So what I'm finding out is that I can't. But why can't I? Can't I move it to this? Oh, so alright, you can't. Oh, okay, fine. How about if I copied it? If I went Control C and then went to images and Control V. Oh, okay, fine, cool. So it would work. Alright, so let's jump back to what else could be downloaded here. There's the open link. So this is a link. I think they brought in the GitHub logo link. You can fill that JavaScript over there. And this is a link also is been brought in. And this is text. This is okay, this is a button. That one is some CSS. Alright, this is interesting. I don't know what that is. This is an image. Alright, what's the image here? Oh, so how it looks like in the image here. I think this is not an image, it's an image. This is an image. How is this not an image? This is also an image, and I can now start getting the sense of so I think the rest was CSS, and then they just brought in they hacked this text as an image instead. Cool. Yeah, no problem. Or I could just be saving images, Save. So let's go here and say save images. Save image as. Ideally, we want to reverse engineer this page, and we want to really like break it down, the layout. I thought it was pretty cool. I really enjoyed how it looked like. I wondered if I had to reverse engineer this page, what would be the thinking that I would need to do. So right now it's just I'm going through that. The type of thinking. It's really cool that the way they hacked these images was to have just some optimized kind of graphics in here, and then the rest was probably CSS. Alright, so I'm gonna close all of them. From now on, whenever I see like an image, content. grouped it. Save images, Illustrator WebP. File. I'm very curious how it looks like. Text. Oh, interesting. Save image as save. How about this one? Save image as save. Alright, cool. So this is 1, this is 2, this is save, and then save image as save. Alright. Another bunch of images, save images. Save, then save image as save, then save image as save, text. A bunch of right. So this is a bunch of cards with like so many images, and I'm already just getting tired. But it's image heavy. Just repeat. Control Z. Save images. Right, and then save image as. I think like once you alright, and just like a bunch of logos, so they have save images, Python logo, save plus logo, save images, Jupyter, save images ESLint, save images Python, save images like server, save images t-shirt icon thing. I use that one too. Save image as C#, save images VS Code, save images GitHub Pilot, save images Gitlens. Alright, save image as debugger, save image as Docker. Cool. Alright, so we have a bunch of alright, so this is alright, so this they actually designed this in what they have here. Cut spaces to logo to SVG. Let me try and save it and see what comes. It's an SVG file. Alright, and that's it. Then this bunch of alright, so all of this again, social media, that was nice. It's just one small. Okay. Cool. Do they have a light thing? Just to what changes when you do that? Oh, it's download. I think it's download. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. So let's go back GitHub Spaces. Then let's go into our folder. Maybe I'll go grab this thing out of here. Okay. Then we're going to grab and copy the Figma file and see if it actually is going to import. I just put all these images in here and just curiously going to hit space and we'll try and see how it displays them. Quite randomly, I might add. Quite randomly. But that's okay. Random is okay. It's quite random actually. I don't know which is which and which isn't which. It's indeed quite random, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm assuming now that I have everything, I can get started in just like installing this design and seeing how Now that I have, and maybe I should just jump out of this and go back to my home. Alright, cool. I'm going to hide my 16 column grid, my reels, my fake 16 column grid. I'm going to create, and this is me now learning. I'm going to create a new, say like a thing here, and I'm going to give it, this is 916 by 1496. I'm gonna give it actually height, so here 916 by 1496. I'm hoping it's going to look similarly. And then color, I'm going to select this one. Come on, man. We got it. Just going to pick this one out. That's that. And we're just going to like jump in and like see. We're going to see what we can be able to do. I mean, I guess we can do a lot. So, let me have this now in the menu area. But I think it's important like to know that. So let me bring back my 16 column grid. Let me bring it back. I can feel it's a little bit wrong, my 16 column grid. So I'm gonna take it all the way to the top. So such that, okay, so my idea is that my 16 column grid starts from here and supposedly, so let me hit shift, supposedly stops here. And I want to see if I did that, if it would align. Somehow it almost aligns, then again somehow it doesn't. But in a strange way, it kind of, there's a weird grid that this project follows. Maybe they didn't have a 16 column grid. Maybe they had a different type of grid that they followed. And here we are. But you can see, okay, now I can see there's something. Alright, now let me bring in my back thing. And I'm going to duplicate this. How did I? Oh, you can just hit out. Right. We're just going to take it. I'm gonna bring it here. But I need to show. So, like this is my rectangle. I'm gonna call it new message. I want to say that this is something that I've actually wanted to do for quite a while, but then like quite a while I've wanted to be able to do this, like reverse engineer websites and stuff. And I'm just so happy to be finally, trying to do it. Alright, so what font could this be? Right, let's go to I should actually should actually find out. Maybe you can just font, or maybe I can just check it. Is there a way that you could check? here, open, tight. Hope you find this one, bro. Also, I want to see if I could go to more tools and then dev tools. If I could actually find the so I'm not sure how maybe how they did this website. It gets very interesting for me when you start seeing such things. Just because I really don't know how they did it, you know. GitHubaccess.com. GitHub. So they've brought in this bunch of stuff. Alright, so let's what do you mean? I hope so. I think it should be comparable vertical. So I think I haven't gotten what I wanted because it's very blurry. And that's that. Yep. So I figure I know why it never loaded, but when it is what it is, you know. I can also I know what I can do. Here, that's the new way to take a screenshot, and then the font. Try again. Go ahead and find it in my pictures. Screenshots. Okay, so it has screenshotted nothing. Ugh. I ain't got the time or the patience. So it's whatever. I'm gonna use inspect. So how can I tell? It's wrapped in a bunch of divs. Alright, so yeah, so I think logic can also work because I think it's called Alliance number 1 for Apple systems. Alright, so I think I found. So I'm going to use and then I'm going to write. I'm going to come all the way up here, and I'm going to write. Make it white, and then I'm gonna write using So Roboto works, by the way. Roboto could work, but let me go with help. Which I have it on my system. Excuse me. I don't know. Bold, I guess. Right. Let's. It should be more than bold, but that's just. It should be something like. So I'm gonna go with something that I have, like robot or aerial. You understand? Or black. And then with black, I'm going to go with something like 24. And then I'm just gonna like copy this, right? And I'm going to take it all the way out here and go compare how things look like. One of my goals is to be able to just like be able to copy design. Understand? I'll be able to copy design. I don't know how yet. Let's do it 48. Nah, 24. Nah, let's go with 36. Almost so close. So let's bring in how can I work on this spacing? Do I need to be fairly right now? Yo, how can it be 0, bro? This one has broken all those rules. Unless these are 2 different ones. So let me again take this. Something somewhere here is so close, like somewhere here is so close. And I can already tell. So I go with minus 8. It's too much. Let's go with maybe I can minus 9.5. So let's copy X. it's so close, but text-wise it really isn't. Like the A is very different. So now I'm going to try this. Then I'm going to select 3. Oh yeah, I know. Okay. So what I'm learning is with just a little bit of care. Oh, but I'm finding it's going to be like a grind to be able to do this, but it's possible. The A here is so different from the A in Arial. The A in Arial is the A in Arial is like a vertical. Alright, so let's come into the project and see what I'm missing out. I'm already missing out on a lot, and I think I've made a lot of mistakes. I wonder if there's a way that you could like possibly hide, or if there's a way that I could automatically bring if there's a way that I could automatically bring I think I'm kind of getting the hang of it, and just with this short thing I can kind of now get started on like really copying UIs. Nice, what's that? Let's try this. Nice. So that's like a mouse shortcut I just learned. How I can nice. I can stop dragging with my mouse all over. Here I can go, you know what, let me go get this image. Well, let me go get this image since it was one of the main images. And I wonder what's this. I don't know what that does, but alright, I can kind of see what it does. Alright, it's actually very interesting. So or so let me see the width to 468 just because alright, so 468 times 297. So let me go back to this and let me 468 times 297. 68 itself here. Alright, so I'm gonna, where is it now? Alright, so let's see if I can bring it in here. And I'm going to hide this frame, and I wonder what frames are for. I really don't know what frames are for. But if I can start already, I can start to see how I can start to chop my lines together. But this really is me just trying to learn Github, and I think it's about an hour now. And I'm gonna stop from here, but I'm gonna come back and continue. The best thing about Figma is that it saves your progress, and I'll be interested to see what I learned from chopping up this Figma. So peace, and see you when I see you.